Namaste children. Today we are going to see voice. In voice we are going to see what? Interrogative. Okay, already I have taught what is voice and assertive sentence and imperative sentence. Okay, so you go through all the thing already. Okay, I have taught all the things. Today we are going to see as interrogative. What is interrogative children? Interrogative sentences means kelvi vakiyam. A sentence asks question means that is interrogative. This sentence ends with question mark. Okay, starting with WH question or how or X or no question. That is with the auxiliary it will start. Okay, first WH question. In WH question, first before go into that, what is question formation? Question formation or sentence la question formation eppadi irukundradha nama therinjukkom. WH first, then auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Okay, this is the WH question or normal what? Question formation of a sentence. Then for example, what do you want? How many pencils do you want? Likewise, it will come. Okay. For change into passive, the same WH word we want to use here. Then plus auxiliary plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. See, who broke the window? By who means we should use by whom. By whom broke is past tense, was the window broken. And then object want to come here. By whom WH plus auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb we want to use according to the verb, what kind of verb they are given. According to that we want to use the auxiliary verb here. Here past tense, so we should use was were. Singular means was. The window is singular, no? So was. Then object the window. Then V3 form of the main verb, the broken. So by whom was the window broken? Okay. Then which mobile phone do you want? Which mobile phone do you want? Which mobile phone? Do plus want is equal to simple present tense. Simple present tense actually is the RAM. So is. Here singular, so is. Want, wanted by you. You think here you already said ma'am object. Okay, here there is no object. Then you have thought without object a sentence can't change into passive. Am I right? I told that here. Which mobile phone? This mobile phone is an object only. Starting itself, they asked the question. They used the object in the with the question. Which mobile phone? How many pencil? Which language? Okay, likewise, they used the object with the question word. So, once again, they no need to use the object here. Did you understand? Okay. This mobile phone is wanted by you. There is no object back, so we no need to write the object here. What did you do? What was done by you? Did plus who is equal to did. Then auxiliary we want to use was. What was done by you? Which language did you speak? Which language was spoken by you? Did plus speak is equal to spoke. Okay. So want to write which language was spoken by you. Here all the sentence I didn't give any object. Okay, see the next question. Then yes or no type. Okay. In yes or no type, active plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb object. Auxiliary verb starting. We want to start with the question auxiliary verb. Yes or no type question என்னது? செஞ்சியா, வந்தியா, எத்தனை இட்லி சாப்பிட்ட, எத்தனைன்னு கேக்குறது வந்து WH. நெக்ஸ்ட் சாப்பிட்டியா, முடிச்சிட்டியா, ஹோம்வொர்க் முடிச்சிட்டியா, ஆமா முடிச்சிட்டேன், இல்ல முடிக்கல. ஆம் இல்லன்றதா அதுக்கு பதிலா இருக்கும். ஓகே, என்ன ஹோம்வொர்க் முடிச்ச? நான் இங்கிலீஷ் ஹோம்வொர்க் முடிச்சேன். அப்ப அது வந்து WH கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, எஸ். See, so auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Then here also auxiliary verb plus object plus main verb plus by plus subject. Okay, this auxiliary also according to the main verb, what tense they are using, according to that we want to add. Were they constructing the dam? Okay, were they constructing them? Here they is a subject here. Were constructing is the verb. The dam is object. Okay, first what want to use? Auxiliary verb. Were constructing is the past continuous. Okay. Here object the dam. So dam want to come from no. So the dam is singular. So we should use was here. Was the dam. Ing comes in what we want to add? Being. Okay, the same rule. Being constructed by them. See, this first question, were they constructing them? Can you change it into assertive form this question? இது assertive கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு பாருங்க நீங்க. Okay. இந்த question, were they constructing the dam is there no? இந்த question assertive நினைச்சு பார்க்க முடியுமா? Yes. Shall we write here? Yes. They were constructing the dam. Am I right? Full stop. They were constructing the dam. While asking question, were they constructing the dam? The answer. Can you write the answer? Yes. What is the answer? The dam. The dam is singular or plural? Singular. So what want to be right? The dam was. Okay. The dam was okay. Constructing is the continuous. So we want to add being. Being constructed by whom? They, them. T-H-E-M, them. Full stop. Okay. So, if they give like this, you can change like this. Change means think in your mind. Like mind map. யோசிச்சு பாரு மேம் நான் எங்க சப்ஜெக்ட் வரும் எங்க வெர்ப் வரும் இதே தான் அப்படி அங்க மாத்தி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க எஸ்ஆர்னா டைப்ல இதே தான் WH கொஸ்டின்லயும் ஓகேவா இப்ப பார்க்கலாமா WH கொஸ்டின்ல இது மூணு நீ சேர்ந்து செய்யும் பொழுது உனக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கு இது மூணு நீ பார்க்கும் பொழுது தொடர்ந்து பார்க்கும் பொழுது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த கொஸ்டினை WH மாத்தி பார்க்கலாமா இங்கே 5th கொஸ்டின் ஓகே 5th கொஸ்டின் where they constructing them ஓகே சோ இந்த கொஸ்டினை WH எப்படி மாத்தலாம் So for example, when were they? எப்பொழுது when sorry when did they construct the dam? Question mark. Okay. When did they construct the dam? Here, proper subject is there. Did plus construct is there to constructed. The dam also is there. Object also is there. So, before 4 question, I didn't say give any object to you. Why? To say this point. Here, think. Okay. What I have written here, they were constructed them. Likewise, they, here, did plus construct is equal to constructed. Okay. Here, past tense is there. Okay, so answer, okay, when, the same WH question, when, okay, they constructed the dam. The dam is a singular. When was the dam being won't come. When was the dam constructed? Simple past only. So, by them. Okay. Can I easily write the WH question? Many of you are thinking WH is very giving trouble. It's not. It's a very easy one. So for example, here simple past tense I have used in 5th question. Once again, okay, 6th question. The same where they constructing the dam now. The same tense form we can use. When, were they? Sorry children. When were they constructing the dam? Okay, answer. When where plus constructing is equal to past continuous. For past continuous, here also we want to write what? Past continuous auxiliary only. Where, when, where. Here where, because of they used where. But we are going to write the dam first. Okay, object only want to come first. So according to the object, we should write the auxiliary here. When was the dam. Here ing means we want to add being constructed by them. Subject want to come at last, no? Here question mark. Here also question mark only want to come, children. Okay. So when was the dam being constructed? Okay, by them. See, now did you note these questions? Here 5th question, 6th question, and here 1st question. If you know the similarities of the both 3 questions, you can get the point how we want to change WH question as active to passive and passive to active. Okay, thank you. Next, in yes or no type question, second question, do you complete the work? Is do plus complete is equal to complete present tense. The work is singular, so is want to add, is the work completed by you? Did you buy the car? Did plus buy is equal to past tense, bought. So work, object want to come front. The car bought by you. Okay, children. So this yes or no question is very easy. First, in WH question, we want to write the WH first, then auxiliary plus object plus main verb. Being I want to add means you can add. Then yes or no type also. First, the auxiliary verb want to come front, then object, then main verb plus by the subject. Okay, so active to passive and passive to active, you want to note these points. Okay, children. Okay, now here some are the questions I have given with answer. Okay, see that passive to active. The results will be published tomorrow by them. So, by them. Which is object here? Subject, them. யாரால பண்ணப்பட போறது? அதுதான subject. வேலை செய்றவங்க யாரு? அந்த இடத்துல அதான subject. So, them, they will be punished. So, simple future will be published. Will publish the result tomorrow. Tomorrow is urgent. So, like that you want to change. Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. Shakespeare subject was written. Here no been and being. So, this is simple past tense. So, wrote Hamlet. Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. The electric bulb was invented by Edison. Edison invented the bulb. The project has been done by him. He has done the project. Okay, has been is there. So, that is present perfect. So, we should remove the been. He, here, subject want to come front, then has been stolen, remove unnecessary auxiliary verb here, then the project. Okay, likewise only we want to change. Here see, combine the sentence. Okay, combine means combine sentence. Combine the sentence, combine both. Ram wrote the letter and posted it. Here two verb keep. The letter was written and posted by Ram. Both we combined. Okay, so next. Ravi read 2 novels last night and he enjoyed reading very much. So Ravi read 2 novels. Up to that you think. Then change. 2 novels where last night is there. Read. So read in present. Here last night is there. So here is they used simple past tense. 2 novels were read by Ravi. Up to that over, no? Last night, up to that over. And, right, and. He enjoyed reading very much. Once again, reading was enjoyed by him very much. He enjoyed reading. Here, reading is object. Reading was enjoyed by him very much. Okay. Here, 2 sentences give means we want to change like this. ஒவ்வொரு தாட்டா பாத்துக்கோ, பார்த்துட்டு அதை கரெக்டா அதுக்குரிய சப்ஜெக்ட் வெர்ப் போட்டு வெர்ப் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி பண்ணணும். car was bought by Raj and he gifted it to Kumar. A car was bought by Raj. Passive. Okay, for Raj bought a car and he gifted it to Kumar. It was gifted to Kumar. So in the sentence pathina, he gifted it to Kumar. Subject verb it. என்ன direct object to Kumar யாருக்கு indirect object. Maximum do வந்ததுன்னா direct object முன்னாடி போடு. Okay, you should write the direct object front. So it was gifted to Kumar. Okay, did you understand? Maximum in exam they will ask question like this only. They won't give the simple sentences. While practicing all the simple sentences, then it will be easy to you. Okay, then fourth question, who gave you money? Okay, who gave you the money? The boy inquired. And the boy was inquired. Sorry children, the boy was inquired. And the அம்மா அந்த பையன் வந்து யாரு கேள்வி கேட்டிருப்பாங்க? அவங்க அம்மா கேட்டிருக்கலாம், இல்லாட்டி அவங்க அப்பா கேட்டிருக்கலாம், இல்லாட்டி அவங்க பிரதர் கூட கேட்டிருக்கலாம் இல்லையா? சோ இந்த இடத்துல என்ன கொடுக்கல, அவங்க சப்ஜெக்ட் கொடுக்கல. The boy was inquired, so passively இருக்கு. Okay, so who gave you the money? By whom was the money given? To you கூட போடலாம். Okay, then the boy was inquired. This question, this part over. Then the boy was inquired by whom? Already thought it. Without subject, we want to think the correct subject and write it. The mother was inquired. Passive, no? Simple past tense. So the mother inquired him. Did you understand? Yes. Next question. See the fifth question. Have you finished your work? Asked my mother. Then have you finished your work? என்னவா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இது? WH question கிடையாது. Yes or no type question. So your work is a have you finished. Have plus finished is equal to present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect has to have ரெண்டு auxiliary இருக்கு. So your work is singular. So you want to write has here. Has your work been? Okay, perfect means we want to add been finished by you. Asked by mother. யாரை கேட்டிருக்காங்க? Subject. Okay, இங்க இடத்துல இது ஸ்டேட்மெண்டாவே இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? இது வந்து என்ன வரல, பாசிவால, சாரி ஆக்டிவாவே இருக்கு. இப்போ என்னைய you is hidden here. So என்னைய தான் கேட்டாங்க. So I was asked by my mother. So like this you should think and write. Okay, so these two questions if you understand, it will be very easy to you. Okay, so today we have seen what are the things. Okay, WH questions, yes or no and WH. Okay, in interrogative. So yes or no question and WH question will be very easy if you read all the things and if you note what are the points I have said. Okay children, thank you. I hope you all understand what are the worksheet we are giving. You should practice that, then only it will be easy to you. Okay, thank you children. Happy learning. Be safe in your home. Thank you.